Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is E-Correction and Recovery the Government Credential. Let's see the abstract. Using this system, the administration of the website can easily maintain and monitor the citizen details. They can store new information and delete unwanted information from anywhere and at any time, which in turn saves time. Also, this web-based system provides a good security features to all the users, since we can avoid piracy in handling information. The uploading and the retrieving process are secured one. This project contains the online correction process, and that was performed here with an interpreter and in a good manner. The citizen who is applying the correction into the government identities and the court process will be validated through this website, and everyone can collect the good details from them. And the citizen to collect the original certificate in online, the recovery process contains all the certificates, so every citizen to access the certificate anywhere and at any time. Let's see our flow chart. Our flow begins with the citizen and the admin registration. So in the registration, what we are doing is the citizen or administrator will have to register their information here, and after the successful registration they can log into the account using the login button. So the login button is used for authentication, so the authentication will happen there. Once the authentication is failed, they will redirect it again to the administration page. And the citizen process, the following are the citizen process: the updated profile, the correction, apply, store credentials, download correct ID. So these are the levels of citizen process. The citizens will process the following details. The update profile is used for updating the profile, and the correction apply is used for correcting correction applies, and the store credential is used to store the credentials. So to download the correct ID, the list of citizens will use this admin process the admin process will use to view the list of citizens and the list of government proof, list of request from the user, and also the send response from the users. So everything will be processed at the intermediate, that is a tab request and the tab government proof. The tab response is used to respond the what they have applied. Let's see the execution. Our execution starts with the login page. At first, the citizen will log into their account. So before that, the citizen can register for a new account. So the registered number will automatically generated. The citizen name, password, and everything they have to give it. After that, they can give the contact number and the address. So the gender should be, they have to select the gender and the direction. So the direction is the district collector or someone else, so they can select them which person they have to talk with. So south or east, they can select like that. So after registration, they will be redirected to the login page. So the login page, in the login page, you can after that you can log in using the management login process. The management login will contains three types of login. One is department, admin. So the admin, using the department, they can give request and response. So here, if you don't know if you want to know the username and password, or you have to pay when you forget, that means you can use the SQL server, because that's a database that you can choose select the database or select the content and copy it on the front end. So you can use this database for the purpose. So since I'm going to use this and I'm going to search for my table, so my table is not present, actually I'm going to log in using the management login process. The management login process contains three departments. So as I already told you, the department and the admin and everything. So the department and password, so you have to give the proper password to log into their account. When you give the department, so when you click this process, you can enter into the process. The first one is the citizen list. The citizen list contains the citizen name and register number and everything. So the citizen name is the name, and the citizen list, so using that you have to log in into the account. So to log in into the account, using the citizen number and the citizen name and the citizen password, you need to give the citizen number as your primary field, and after that the citizen name. So the management login, here you can use the management login using the citizen number is there. There you have to write the citizen name. Citizen name should be Pune, and after that the password. So we remember the password means you can once again log in, use the management login, and just verify the password there. So select the department and password. Yes, then you can see the citizen list and select the citizen and view the profile. So there you can see that the password is given in that's same username as well as the password is same. So now I'm going to log in using the citizen name. So the citizen name, I have to give the number and the citizen name, and after that the password. So now everything matches. So I'm going to enter into the next pages. The next page is request. The request page contains the citizen request, that is they can give the citizen request and everything. So once they apply for a request, it will be going to the department, and the department will respond, that is they will approve the content. So that's their process. So I'm applying for the complaint. So once I apply the complaint will goes to the department, and now I'm going to log in using the department. So using the department ID, I'm going to log in into an account. There's a management login using the department, and then select the department and login. So here I'm going to log in using this ID. So there's a button, you know, that's a response button. The response button will contains the approve button. So there you can, when you approve this, it will upload some contents. So what you have uploaded will be approved. So using this you can make all e-correction system, that is the citizen uploaded the right content or anything, that the admin can easily verify the content by using this. So the citizen can easily mention their certificate or mention any document to the admin, and he can verify the particular content. So that's all the process, and using this you can comes the system everything globally. So that's a process. Compliant management receipt correction system. Thank you.